Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to format your USB external drive on MacBook. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you have connected your USB flash drive to your MacBook, it should pop on your desktop. And now what you want to do to basically format it, you want to open up Disk Utility. So you can go to your search finder, or you can go to your Launchpad and go to Other and click on Disk Utility. After that, this will pop up and you will see here your external. So this would be your USB. Here it is. And to format it, of course, make sure that you back up everything because everything will be deleted. So now to do your reformat, you want to click Erase button. Now you want to name your USB flash drive and choose a format. So the best would be to use exFAT because it's the most compatible with every single operation systems. I'm just going to choose exFAT and click Erase. After that, it should be formatted on your MacBook. And here it is, your USB flash drive was formatted.